Hello. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Wave to the camera. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are back with another episode with Cooking with Stinker Butts. That's, I guess, I'm Stinker Butts and Pharaoh. So, today we're going to be making peanut butter cookies. Yay! Minus any of the milk that he just drank. But I don't think we even need milk. So, it says 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, tablespoon of water. We got the oven on, and we getting the coffee. We got the oven on. Let's preheat this oven. I don't even know if it's still recording because the calls is coming in. See, we get calls coming in by the daily. You know what I mean? Like, yo, cook this, cook that, right? Cook this, cook that. We love your baking show. But, ladies and gentlemen, this is just not a baking show. We do all types of stuff. So anyway, remember what I told you from last episode? Don't let nobody run around with scissors in their hands unless they got gloves. So let that be. Make sure you remember that. Alright. Now we're just gonna add that in. Oh, there's so much peanut butter. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm gonna need this for a second, and then you can, okay, so it says, oh yeah, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. If you don't know what a tablespoon is, it's the bigger spoon in the, compared to the smaller spoon. You should know that, alright, come on. But for the young ones out there, tablespoon is more bigger than the regular spoon. That's one. You can't see me mixing these ingredients, so don't worry about it. With the power of television, voila! You know what I'm saying? We need water. This can be a situation right here. But we're gonna let it happen because that's why I got a co-host. Good job, co-host. Good job. All right, and 1 of water. We're gonna add a little bit more. All right, and now we mix. Now we mix. Mix, yeah, that's right, mix. Tune in to our next episode. I ain't even gonna tell you but we got something marvelous coming up. We're gonna make a whole pie. We're gonna make a whole pie, like, we're just trying to get some of the basics down for him. And once we get that down, you already know. So right now we're just getting small things, just 1, 2 ingredient baking things, you know what I'm saying? Vegetables, water, easy. I mean, no eggs, none of that, you know what I mean? We're gonna start small and grow big. So you want a nice little peanut buttery texture, because ain't nobody gonna eat these but me. Life of a bachelor. So it says, sorry about that. It says it should make up to 12. No, we don't have a cooking pan, but we do have a pizza pan. We make pizzas every once in a while in here too. So we can just put it on that, you know what I mean? Still non-stick, whatever, how you want to do it, you know what I'm saying? So basically, there's 2 ways of doing this. You can also take 2 spoons and just, or you can just, right, or like a meatball, yeah. Or right. Right. You're supposed to make 12, so if you only get 6, just know you're gonna have like some big ass cookies. But that shouldn't, that should be alright too. You want to try to get them as little, like little. See, this is me doing it without even touching it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's real dope. You gotta know something sometimes. Sometimes you gotta know something, and you just want to make little balls like little bullies. Little cookie buzz. Everybody at the job loves my cookie buzz. Love my cookie buzz. Yeah, especially Suzanne. I bring Suzanne my cookie buzz every Christmas. Every Christmas I make sure Suzanne gets a nice amount of cookie buzz. Yeah. Friend of mine, fat check. Friend of mine, uh, by the name of Phil Shweddy. Phil Shweddy told me how to make these cookie balls. They used to call them Shweddy balls. From Phil, like if you can look that up. I think his name is Phil Shweddy. Yeah, me and Phil play for Little League. I was a tykester, about his size, maybe a little younger. I played for Little League, littler than that. Yeah, me and Phil. Phil wound up being he wound up being he wound up going. I think he wound up going to prison. Yeah, I think Phil wound up going to prison after he opened up he was in competing with Tasty Cake because he opened up his little type bakery and stuff, and they called him Shweddy. He used to make Shweddy cakes, Shweddy cookies, Shweddy donuts, and Shweddy balls. Like little mini donuts, like the mini donuts, they're like Shweddy balls. Yeah. Phil Shweddy, man. I hope you see this, Phil. You came a long way, brother. But anyway, no, I don't have the technology of just cutting this out. We're gonna give you everything. You know what I mean? You get every. You know what I mean? Even if he like spits in the cup, spits some of his milk out in some of these cookies right now, you'll get it all. You'll get it all. We are not editing anything from this point on. We do not have the time. But this is called bonding time. This is what we call bonding time. Taking a go at that milk, huh? Oh, and for the parents out there that might see this, no, that's not cow's milk. Son does not drink cow's milk. He drinks skunk milk. Skunk milk is 100% proof. 100%. It's been tested 85% of the time that it comes 100% of the time. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's just skunk milk. They say skunk milk. That's what I'm trying to say. Skunk milk works 85% of the time. So, how do you retrieve? Go down to your. I just got that question. How do you get skunk milk? Go down to your local. What is that? What do they call them people with the? You know that. You know. Dutchman. Go down to your local Dutchman, Dutch woman, Dutchin. Go down there to your local Dutch market and ask for, I don't know, 9 times out of 10, every Dutch market has a person named Levi. Levi works there. For real. They'll have somebody in the back named Levi. Levi's not as Dutch as everybody else, but he knows how to get the greatest skunk milk. Trust me. So you want to put your cookies out, space them out as much as you can, even though we're cooking on a pizza pan. But look, Shweddy ball. Peanut butter balls. We learned this technique from Phil Shweddy. So, shouts out to you, Phil. Sweaty balls. We're gonna be alright. Well, tune in next week. We might try to cook chocolate chip cookies. And we're working on this pie. This pie that we make. We're gonna try to start selling that pie once we make that. So, other than that, we didn't have too many problems today with the co-host. Say bye to everybody. Say byes. Say bye-byes. Guess not. Tune in next week.